This is the Breakout Band Oscillator, which has been specifically introduced on the comprehensive TradingFinder site for various trading platforms. Traders can easily download the essential indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this dedicated section. And to thoroughly learn how this powerful indicator works and understand its full functionality, they can carefully study this informative page from the Navigator section. We meticulously select the indicator file and then run the file for the relevant trading platform. Once the indicator is successfully loaded, a distinct window for the oscillator will prominently appear at the bottom of the trading platform. The Mobo Momentum Breakout Bands indicator is a truly special and highly practical tool that, by effectively using it, we can much better identify the precise direction of price movement and generate clear buy and sell signals. This sophisticated indicator accurately determines the strength and overall direction of the trend for us. And whenever there is a strong and decisive movement in the direction of an increase or a decrease in price, clear and actionable signals are promptly generated for us. The fundamental way the indicator works and its signal generation mechanism is primarily based on the dynamic movement of the oscillator line and the distinct yellow line. Whenever the yellow line precisely crosses above the oscillator line, a strong buy signal is immediately generated, and the middle line of the channel is clearly displayed in a vibrant green color. Whenever the yellow line precisely crosses below the oscillator line, the middle line of the channel is clearly displayed in a prominent red color, and a strong sell signal is immediately generated. Traders can effectively use these valuable trading opportunities in the direction of the prevailing price trend at the exact time signals are generated and confidently enter buy or sell positions in the market. For example, in this specific section, the price is clearly making lower highs and lower lows, and in this particular part, strong sell signals have been accurately generated for us. For example, in this section, we could have confidently entered a sell position in the market. For example, when the oscillator line moves steadily upward and the color of the middle line of the channel significantly changes, we can then exit the trade. We can also effectively manage our trading positions based on predefined take profit and stop loss levels. In another distinct section, we observe that the price is clearly making higher highs and higher lows, and in this particular part, a strong buy signal has been accurately generated for us. In this section, a clear buy signal has been generated, and in this part, another buy signal has been generated, and in the same effective way, we can utilize these excellent opportunities to enter our trades. In the comprehensive settings section, under inputs, there are various important options available for us to customize. In the first input, we can precisely set the period for the momentum moving average, which is specifically for the momentum line. The higher this particular value, the fewer signals we will generally get, but their overall accuracy significantly increases. The lower this particular value, the more signals we will generally get. In the next input, we can precisely set the period for the moving average from the available options presented here. In the next input, we can precisely set the method of the moving average from 4 distinct types: simple, exponential, smooth, and linear weighted. In the next input, we can precisely set the period for the base momentum moving average, and the higher this particular value, the more accurate the raw signals become, but they are generated with a slightly more noticeable delay. In the next input, we can precisely set the type of standard deviation for the channel lines, and the indicator provides us with 2 different formulas, giving us distinct results. Here, there are 2 clear options, and we can choose different modes for it. By increasing the values, the width of the channel also significantly increases. In the next 2 inputs, we can precisely set the distance of the standard deviation for the channel lines. The higher this particular value, the wider the channels become, and we consequently receive fewer signals. The lower this particular value, the narrower the channels become, and the indicator generates more signals for us. In the next section, we can precisely set the alert settings. In the first input, we can enable or disable the alert when signals are generated. If this option is set to false, the following options are not functional. But if this option is enabled, in the next input, we can enable or disable email alerts. If you enable this option, you must have completed the email settings in the Tools greater than Options section. In the next input, we can enable or disable push notification alerts to your mobile device. Finally, in the last section, there are important options for message timeout and message subject. In the first input, we can specify the time interval between alert messages, which by default is set to 4 candles. That is, After a signal is generated, it patiently waits for up to 4 candles, and the signals are valid for up to 4 candles. In the last input, we can specify the alert subject or a custom message, and we can enter our desired value here. Well, my dear friends, we have now reached the very end of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We would be extremely happy if you would share your valuable opinions and insightful suggestions with us in the comments section.